Are you ready for the new MTD rules? From the 6th of April 2026, Making Tax Digital for income tax self-assessment begins its phased rollout. This means that anybody who is self-employed and landlords that have a combined gross income of over £50,000 will be required to comply with the new MTD rules from April 2026. If your income is less than 50,000, you will not be affected until April 2027, when the earning threshold will drop to 30,000. So what is it that you will need to do? If you have a combined gross income of over 50,000 from April 2026, you will need to maintain digital records using an MTD compatible software. You will need to send quarterly updates to HMRC summarizing your business and/or property income and expenses. And you will then need to submit a final end-of-year declaration, which will replace the current self-assessment return. So this means that instead of one self-assessment tax return, you will be submitting 4 quarterly updates for the 26-27 tax year starting April 2026. So what can you do now? Now is a good time to review your total income. And if your combined gross income is over 50,000, you will know that you need to comply with the new MTD rules from April 2026. You will also need to choose a compatible accounting software, and a popular one is Xero. You can also talk to your accountant, and if you need to know more or how we can help you, please contact us here at Pink Pig Financials.